Hello.
Okay, guys. So it's today, guys, we're gonna be what's it called? Restoring these old school lockers.
In a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often.
Like you're not part of the team.
Don't.
Okay.
But since recruiting isn't an option, you got my usual rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder.
Y'all welcome.
You checking me out?
Put your sweats on for me. Like the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and
Pretty sure we was doing this video, right? And when I was editing it, and everybody they liked the video, and they was just like, I heard you need. I put her back in the video. Da, 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 da. You get back in the videos?
No.
Are you serious?
Oh no, it's cricky.
Let me get up there. Who's my ride?
trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me. So cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you calling. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Blue the Cooper 17, no bodies.
Just a little update on the lockers. Sprayed this one yesterday, and let's just say, how do I feel like to focus? They were originally like a darker red, but I wanted a brighter red, so spray painting them. So yeah, spray painting them. Sorry for the glare. Oh snap. Anyways, back to lockers. This one came out more not rough versus this one where it's just really just rough. Everywhere I touch it, it's just gritty, which doesn't give me that locker feel, which I don't like about this one. But this one turned out way better, especially like as you can tell, this one's more glossier than that one. Yeah. And I still didn't finish the inside on this one. I guess when I spray paint, it's just a lot of dust. I need to wipe it down after I prime it, then paint it, and put a nice coat on there. Obviously, you know, my first try wasn't so good, but I'm gonna go to Amazon, order some little legs so they'll look nicer. Obviously, in these little cubbies, I'm gonna put my shoes and, you know, put whatever else in here. My book bag, which I'm not even in school anymore, but hey, it's character. Could put some books in here. Who knows? Even though I don't read. But yeah, nice little accessory to my room. Also, I forgot to mention that I got these lockers from Facebook Marketplace for like $130 something for both of them, and that piece of board back there to fill in that side where it has nothing. So there you have it.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, wanna make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love.
So I started gluing these, and I'm just waiting for these two down here to dry, and then I'm gonna put these legs on, see what they look like. So I'm finally done with the locker. Well, one locker, just so I can see the finished product. Here it is behind me though, but nah, let me get to that. But if you want to see the legs, I'm gonna show you the legs in just a moment. So I didn't show before, but here's the legs that I put on and I chose. I just used some Gorilla Glue and just clamped them down to the metal, and then just drill them in there, of course. I just thought this was a unique piece to have, like, as a wardrobe, just to have it in my room, which I thought was pretty cool. And I haven't seen anybody use, like, table legs to stand up a locker, which those were kind of tricky. I had put them on in the wrong way, but I fixed it. I just flipped the legs the other way.
All night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting.
But overall, I would say this was a good project to me, to be honest. It gives you a nice little character to your room, to a little wardrobe, put your shoes in there, but bam. Then on top of that, I just want to let y'all know, if y'all ever did this project, that if you're trying to move it, it's a 2-person job. Because first of all, it's a metal locker. That thing was heavy, just even for us to get it up the stairs. We had to use 3 people just to get this one locker up the stairs in my room. So keep that in mind, that it is heavy. And just imagine all that weight on them 2 little legs. All that weight from this locker on them 2 little, well, not 2 little, but 4 little legs. That's why earlier I said that it was starting to lean forward, because I had the legs flipped the other way, so they wasn't even and balanced enough. There you have it. Also, comment down below what I should do next. I'm probably gonna post my next video, which is probably making a custom skate deck, which you've seen in our locker. I already made one, but I got like 2 extra blank boards that I could do something with. So comment down below what I should do with those. See y'all in the next video.